Oh no! We are late!
Late? Late for what?
Mom, what is late?
Late means we do not have enough time, Anna. We must hurry!
Hurry? I want to walk slowly.
No, Peter. We must hurry.
Hurry? Oh, I forgot my bag.
David, your bag?
Big bag? Where is it?
Here? No. Ah. It is in the car.
David, go! I will get the kids.
Hello, we are checking in. Good morning. Can I see your tickets?
Tickets! Tickets! Oh. I cannot find my ticket.
You cannot find your ticket? David, again?
It's okay. Please check slowly.
Slowly, slowly. I am checking.
Dad, is it in your back pocket?
Back pocket? Oh, yes. Here it is.
Good job, David. Now give it to her, please. Thank you. Let me check your seats.
Mom, what is a seat number?
A seat number tells us where we sit on the airplane.
Huh?
Please, everyone, put your bags on the belt.
Mom, what is belt?
Belt is the moving table, Anna. The bag goes there.
Can I put my toy in the belt?
No, Peter. Only bags, please.
My bag is heavy. Too heavy.
David, do not drop it.
Dad, careful! Careful!
Oops, I dropped my bag.
Sir, please pick it up.
Pick it up? Oh, yes, yes.
David, where are you going?
Shopping! They have chocolates.
Chocolates? Can I have one?
We have no time. No chocolates now.
I want chocolate too.
One for Peter, one for Anna, maybe two for me.
David, stop. We must go to the gate.
Gate? Gate? Oh, yes, the gate.
Everyone, hold my hand.
Mom, I am scared. Where is the plane? Yes, where is plane?
It is over there, but we must walk fast.
Fast? I am tired.
David, please. We are late.
Late again? Always late. Ugh. Always late. Oh no.
Wait. I see a shop? Maybe a map?
Map! Good idea.
Map? Map? Oh, I cannot read this.
David, you must read the map. Where is gate A5?
Gate A5? Maybe here? Or here?
Here. I see plane on map. Plane! Plane!
Yes! That is our gate. Come on.
Come on. I am coming. Slowly.
Slowly? We are late.
Hold hands on the escalator.
Escalator is moving. Ooh, moving fast. I am scared.
Fast? I am tired. Oh no, I dropped my bag again.
David, bag. Bag.
Bag. Bag. Pick it up. Pick it up. Quickly.
Okay, I got it.
Here is the gate. Quick. Quick. Tickets, please.
Tickets!
Tickets! Ah! Here they are!
Finally.
Finally? Yes!
I found my ticket! I found it!
David, do not lose it now.
Do not worry. Do not worry. Maybe.
Maybe? Maybe. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Everyone, find your seats.
Mom, this seat is too small. I cannot sit. I cannot sit.
Seat. I am next to window. Perfect.
Window? I want window too.
Anna, Peter, sit down, please.
I am sitting. Slowly. Slowly.
Slowly? Oh no! I dropped my water bottle!
David? Water bottle?
Yes. Cleaning time.
Cleaning? Oh no. Oh no.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Seatbelt? What is seatbelt?
Belt around your waist. Safety first.
Safety. Okay.
Seatbelt. Fast. Okay, oh. I am nervous.
Nervous? Why nervous?
Plane goes up. High. Very high.
It is okay, David. Everything is okay.
Everything okay? Yes. Yes. Wow. Look outside. Plane is flying. Whew. Flying high.
Flying? Flying like bird?
Yes, David. Like a big, big bird.
Big bird. So, wow.
I like big bird. Flying. Wow.
Good. We are safe. Everyone calm now.
Calm. Yes, calm.
Yes, calm. Maybe next time. Do not forget ticket.
Exactly, David. Exactly.
Oh, did you like our story? Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.